Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lacey Elizabeth, and guess what? Today we're going to talk about how to clean your lashes, your falsies. We're cleaning them. That's right. Did you guys know you can reuse them up to like 30 times? You don't need to clean them all the time. Just sometimes. A lot of the time, if you go 2 or 3, even 4 wears with the glue that's already on it, you might just pick off a little bit of the glue. That actually gives you a bit more tack and stick to actually help your lashes stay on all day. That's tip number 1. But when you've got a lot of glue on there and you've got to start peeling it off and they're looking a little ratchet, that's when you got to clean them. So I thought I'll show you guys how to clean your lashes. Remember, if you want to see more of my videos and get those latest makeup trends and the hottest products, stay tuned, smash that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe. What we're doing is we're gonna take our lashes. These are the Fuego lashes that I tried on the other day. Let's talk about tips. I'm gonna give you guys a lot of tips in this video about lashes. Always store your lashes back in the little storage container. But if for some reason you've tossed this out, you can get a different storage system for your lashes, which might have like 5, 6, or 15 different lash containers on it and might have a little lid. Those are for your expensive lashes, definitely. Store your lashes always on the curve. That actually helps when you're applying it to be on that curve of your lid. For cleaning your lashes, you're going to need cotton swabs. So I usually use the Q-tip brand. Any brand will do. Ones preferably that do not have a lot of cotton on the tip, because you don't want that to come loose when you are rubbing on your lashes, because then, ladies, gentlemen, it is a hot mess and we do not want that. These are lint-free nail cleaning wipes. You can pick these up anywhere from a drugstore to Amazon. They are good for cleaning your lashes and not getting that goopy little hairs and strands of cotton all over your lashes, because once you apply that back on your lid, you're just gonna be like all night long. No one wants that. Lint-free nail cleaning wipes. It's going to save your life. Genius, and so cheap on Amazon. Love it. I'll try and link it down below. The last product that we're going to need is rubbing alcohol. So this is the 99%. You can use 70%. It doesn't matter. I just happen to have the 90% right here. I also have the 70% here in a spray. Another tip, the spray bottle alcohol, like it's just like you literally just spray it like this. That works amazing for spraying down your palettes or actually spraying your lashes just to disinfect them. But honestly, wait till they dry. Wait till they dry. 30 seconds, that's it. Then apply your glue. It just helps to disinfect. To get into this, what we're gonna do, I have an empty lash container here that I'm not using. When in doubt, you use your lash and the lash life is over. I tend to hang on to these, not all the time, but just so I have like 3 or 4 empty trays I'm not using on hand, and I'll clean the tray. This part I don't really need. That part can go, but this part, this little guy right here, is awesome. If you don't have this, literally go into a dollar store or Walmart or your kitchen cupboard even, get a little plate or a Tupperware container, something with little sides. That works perfectly, because we're gonna just pour a little bit of alcohol in the dish. So we're gonna take our alcohol, we're just gonna open that up. I'm gonna pour just a tiny bit, just enough, just like that. Because you have to remember, this is going to evaporate, so we have to work somewhat fast with it. Now I'm taking my lashes, I'm just going to peel that off. just like that. Because this has quite a bit of glue on it, we're going to assess the situation. So can you guys see all the glue on there? Now I'm literally just going to take that lash and drop it into the alcohol. I'm taking my lash tweezers. We're just going to rub that around in the alcohol just to soften up the glue on the lash. And now we're going to take that lash out of the alcohol. We're going to take our cotton swab. We're going to dip this now into the alcohol. And my table is clean, so we're just going to work here on the table. And I'm literally just going to rub that glue off. We're not trying to get all of it off, but as you guys can see, the glue is coming off. So the goal here is not to get all of the glue off. When we need to, we're going to re-tap into our alcohol solution and just re-wet our cotton swab. But the main goal isn't to get all of the glue off, just enough of the glue that it's gonna give that perfect, you know, it looks like a natural lash when you have it on your lid, not all like clumpy and wavy. We don't want that. So now we're just assessing the lash, see where that's at with the glue. I'm gonna rub just a little bit more of that glue off of the lash. Dip it back into our alcohol solution just to re-dampen it. And we're going to also dampen our, I'll do the other side now. That side's looking kind of ratchet. Clean Q-tip side. We are just gonna rub the glue off of that lash. Just a little bit more, and as you can see, it is coming off. If you guys touch it like this, I mean, it's your lash, it's going on your eye, it's totally cool. Obviously, if this was for a client, they go home with it. Use a fresh pair. But this one, I think it's good. So once I've got it to the point where I've got most of the glue off, but it's still a little bit tacky like that, I'm then gonna take our lint-free nail wipe. I'm just gonna dampen that in the alcohol, just like that. I'm just going to kind of, I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm just squeezing it and getting any excess off like that. I'm gonna take my lash and I'm gonna take the little container. You may as well wipe the glue off of the container. So we're gonna take our same wipe, dip it back in the alcohol. For those of you that don't have huge claws like I do, doing this will be so much easier. It really would. Plus, it's always good just to wipe this tray down. I find with alcohol, just for sanitary reasons. I mean, you keep putting it on your eye and then into the tray, bacteria. Okay, so I've taken the glue off of my tray. My lash has been sitting there just drying for just a small hot minute. I'm literally just gonna pop that lash back onto the tray, just like that. And then we're just going to tap those edges down. Whatever leftover stick from the glue is there, we'll just hold that lash into that perfect half circular lid position so it dries. And then this lash is just like new. This one still has glue on it. And that is how you clean your lashes. Hey guys, if you love this video, if you found this tip about cleaning your lashes helpful, remember, hit that notification bell, smash that like button, and subscribe down below. I appreciate it. I appreciate all the support. Until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys.